Hello folks and welcome to Unboxing Thursday. Today I have this Parkside 20V cordless drill set. I got this from Lidl, 50 euros it costs. As you can see, the set comes with a battery, 20 volts lithium ion. The drill itself has a 2-speed gearbox. First gear is from 0 to 400 RPMs. Second gear is from 0 to 1400 RPMs. It has a torque selector with 25 press electric torque levels and one drill setting on that torque selector. The max torque is 40 Newton meters and the chuck capacity is from 1.5 to 13 millimeters. As you can see, there are accessories included: 8 screw bits and 8 high-speed steel drill bits. So let's open the box and see what we have inside. Of course, we have some manuals over here. We have the battery charger, Parkside X20V team, and the rated output of the charger, 21.5 volts, 2.4 amps. Now let's take a look at the drill itself. We have metal chuck, which is way better than those plastic one. Here is the torque selector. The 2-speed gearbox. First speed for screwing some bolts. Second speed for drilling. Let's see what we have on the label. The manufacturer is Grizzly Tools, but I'm quite sure that it's manufactured in China. Let's take a look at the battery. 2 amps per hour, 40 watts per hour. The battery is full. Let's select the second gear. Of course, we have an LED light. It's quite rigid with rubberized points like over here, which is quite good. Let's take a look at the accessories. Eight screwdriver bits and 8 high-speed steel drill bits. Of course, we can test the two using, let's say, this 5 millimeters. I think it's 5. Just a second. Yeah, 5 millimeters drill bit. As you can see, it's performing quite good in drilling wood. Unfortunately, I don't have anything made from steel on which I can test the drill, but my overall opinion is that is quite good tool and quite cheap. Also, there is this magnetic holder on each side of the drill where you can place the bits that you're not currently using. And that's it from me, guys. Thumbs up and subscribe if you like the video.